hello? 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 Knock, knock? Sige ko.
Patse! Yeah! Go! Go, go! What?
I don't know. I don't know what to do. Someone's on the door. Oh, the door is there. Come in, sister. Come in.
Oh, hi, bro.
Hi, hi. How are you?
I've been looking for you. They asked me to come in here.
Well, I wish I could say I'm okay, but I'm
But
not
you
okay.
look stressed. What's the matter?
Do I look stressed?
Yes, you are. Yes, you
That's
are.
the natural me. Well,
Is there anything I can help you with?
you know, it's Christmas time.
Bro, let's sit down. Let's chair.
No need for chair, sister, because I'm broke.
You broke?
I'm broke, yeah. You know, it's Christmas time.
Tell me what's your problem, bro.
You know, sister, it's Christmas time, you know. And it's time for giving. I lost my job. I lost my family. Well, they're just in the supermarket right now. But yeah, I lost my job. I have no money. I don't know what to do.
Worried.
I don't have any money for buying gifts. Wow. I'm so broke.
I don't think it's necessary, bro. Christmas is not for gifts. Christmas is not for that problem that you're having now. It's for our children, for Christ, for our faith. To show that we love our family. That's all that is matter.
I think you're right, sister. Because the true essence of Christmas is giving, love, joy, and family.
Yes,
You're right.
you're right.
It
So you
doesn't
don't
matter
have to
if I...
worry about that. Those are only simple things. But your faith, that's the greatest gift that you can give to God.
Thank you, sister, for giving me that thoughts.
Let's go to our fellowship now. Come on.